Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, the time has now come. We're now going to be setting off on our main holiday of the year to Holland, and we're going to try to bring you along as much as possible. But we're not going to do day one, day two. We're just going to do a couple of videos so that you can see what to expect, especially from the ferry and also some of the campsites. You looking forward to it?
I really am. I'm really looking forward to this.
So am I. Anyway, we'll get on the road now and get up to Hull to the ferry. See you in a moment. Well folks, we've finally made it to Hull. The ferry behind us is the Pride of Rotterdam, and that's what we're going to be travelling on. We're quite early, so we're going to sit out, chill down, get everything ready to go through passport control and customs. So we'll see you when we're on the ferry. Yeah?
Yep, we will.
See you in the ferry.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you said, anywhere.
Well, hello. We're now in the Netherlands.
We are.
We've just got off the ferry about an hour ago and we're halfway to our destination. So we just thought we'd stop with a phone and let you know where we are. We're about 45 miles away from Nijmegen, and that's where we're heading to, or close to. So we'll see you at the campsite. Well, we've finally arrived and we've been here 2 days, haven't we?
We have actually. We've set up and settled in.
Yep, and it's a lovely site. We're in Hunsbos, which is near Nijmegen, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Now, let's start from the ferry. We spent a pleasant evening on the ferry. The cabin was lovely, very well appointed, and it looked like it had been recently
Really
refurbished.
because they'd redone, they'd removed carpets and put wood flooring inside. But
Yeah.
I think it was one big lesson you did learn now, isn't there?
Yeah, I'm too old for a top bunk, so I won't be booking a cabin where I have to climb up a ladder and sleep on a top bunk, because it just didn't help me. I couldn't sleep.
No, but we didn't. We said it was nice crossing. We said it was, food was nice and everything.
Yeah.
We got off easy. Didn't we?
Yes, it was very simple, straightforward to do, actually. What we did was we went from the actual ferry itself. We were directed, it was clear. We had a couple of really good pieces of kit to help us. One was a TomTom sat nav, it was fantastic.
It was, that was really,
Yeah.
really said really good.
The camper TomTom I can highly recommend. Secondly, we had the Falcon digital mirror. That was a godsend, especially when we got on the motorway and we had all the lorries. And last but no means least was the towing cover by Specialised. It was fantastic, it's done its job. We got here, there was dead flies all over the front of it, but not on the front of the Caravan, and that's what you want. So yeah, we were really pleased with those. So we've got a few things planned, haven't we, love?
We've got a few things planned. We've said we've got some leaflets to have a look at some museums. So
Yep.
this week we're going to start having a look at those, and we'll take you with us. I think the only other thing we wanted to mention was the actual roads here are a lot busier than we actually thought.
Yeah.
A lot busier.
They are a lot busier. Yeah, I'm glad you remembered, Julia. They are. There's a lot of lorries, and they are very busy. I know a viewer had mentioned it to me before, and they are quite right. It is a very busy place. And again, the digital mirror worked as well because it was ideal for overtaking the lorries.
We did
so
find
we're chuffed to bits.
some services that were. It looks like there's just a petrol station, but it's not. The services are actually after it where you park up. There's plenty of spaces.
Even for caravans.
Even for caravans. And we said the only thing is they actually charge for you using the restrooms. However, they give you the money, they give you a voucher, so if you buy something, you get the 50 cents back. So just be prepared that you have to.
Yeah,
pay
you just
for
have
the
to. So
restrooms.
make sure you've got plenty of change when you first step off the ferry if you come into Holland, because you do pay for the losers, Juliet said. But all in all, so far we've been happy with the campsite's beautiful. We will take you around the campsite in another video, but for now we just thought we'd say we're here, we're safe, we're having a lovely time, and we'll see you soon. Thank you very much for joining us, and bye for now.